Hi everyone, I got a wonderful surprise in the mail and I can't wait to share it with you.
May the Darkmoon watch over thee.
As part of the upcoming Ivy Ashes keycaps release, I have the pleasure of checking out the new Darkmoon switches by Ivyworks. The Darkmoon switches are a collaborative effort between Ivyworks and Texi. Right off the bat, I'm a big fan of them visually, but I'm also a little biased because these are themed after the Ashes keycap set, which I'm a fan of. They have a milky housing with an opaque stem. When they go live, the group buy price will be $21.59 for 36 switches, after which the in-stock price will increase to $23.49. The top housing is made of HPE, the stem is made of palm, it comes with a 22mm 2-stage 63.5 gram spring, and the bottom housing is also made of HPE. The total travel for these switches is 3.9mm, which is an easy transition if you're coming from the standard 4mm. This is a 5-pin switch that comes dry, so you will definitely want to lube them. Fortunately, I did some testing and here's what I recommend. Just lube the springs and stems. I tried lubing just the bottom housings, but it wouldn't completely eliminate some of the chatty sounds until I then lubed the stems. So if you lube just the stems, you achieve the same performance with less work. I personally cannot feel a difference between a Darkmoon that has had the stem lubed versus the stem and the bottom housing. As for spring ping, I think it's quite minor in stock form, but since I had to open up these switches to lube the stems, I ended up donut dipping the springs for peace of mind. This may sound like just another linear switch with different housing materials, but there are some pretty interesting things, especially with the stem. First, check out this thick pole. It's actually made 0.2mm thicker than standard poles, and it carries all the way down. This increases the pole bottom out surface while also reducing how harsh it feels. Now take a look at the stem rails. They're made thicker for added stability. Pretty nice. Here's how looped Darkmoon switches sound on my AV3 with the stainless steel plate. Overall, I'm really happy with how these switches perform. HPE housings mean the travel is nice and smooth, plus the sound is deeper than what you would expect, especially for a pole bottom out switch. I'm a big fan of the 3.9mm travel as well. For me, it's a nice stepping stone towards further reduced travel if I wanted to go that route, but it feels pretty natural as it is. The 22mm 36.5 gram springs mean that you get a snappy performance, and I think the weight is ideal for many people. Personally for me, I'll be replacing these with 45 gram springs. If you're looking for a linear switch with new features that we haven't really seen much of, if at all, then this is it. The group buy isn't live yet, so I will link the Ivyworks Discord so you can keep up with when it all goes down, as well as the website for more product images and information in the video description. Also, the group buy for Ivy Ashes will run the entire month of July, so keep an eye out for that. It's packed with board compatibility and will be offered at just $89.99. Definitely check that out. Alright, that's it for me this time. Thanks for watching.